Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I got this 2020 Toyota Tacoma that I'm going to be doing the spark plugs. So let's get this hood open, and first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pull these coil packs off with 10s. There's 3 on each side because this is the V6. Passenger side looks like it's going to be much easier. So go ahead and pop all the coil packs off. On this passenger side, got the air box taken off, so I'm gonna undo the coil packs in this bracket right here. So to pull those coil packs off, you need to pull this sensor, which is a 10, that plate off, and then I already changed out the spark plugs. It looked like number 2 wasn't even tight all the way, so it had a lot of blow by. That is going to be the problem with it. So let's jump over, get this air box back on and jump over to that driver's side. So over here you got to reach kind of up through there to get to that one. It's a little tight. Same with this one back over here, and then over here you got this little plastic or foam piece that you need to take off. Just get to that one. Also had to undo a couple hoses and a couple more plugs. Once you get them all changed out and replaced, they're a little finicky. I undid these 2 wires to pull those coil packs all the way out. Just made it a little easier. And then I undid the brackets over here as well. Okay, now we got it all buttoned backed up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in those next projects.